I've had this piece in the back of our storage for a while now, just waiting to be refinished, but I kind of had a mental block about doing it because it was missing one of these amazing sculpted poles made out of solid rosewood. But as some old dude once said, perfection is the enemy of progress. So I finally just jumped in and started. First, I scraped all the old finish off using a carbide scraper. A lot of people are nervous about using these, and I was too at first, but once you get the hang of it, it works great. Next, I steamed out any deeper scratches using a damp towel and an iron. Then I scraped and sanded all the drawer faces and then sanded the rest of the piece using 150 grit sandpaper first, followed by a round of 220 grit. And then I sprayed it with a couple of coats of Mohawk Easy Vinyl Sealer and then 3 coats of Mohawk Satin Lacquer. So all this is going great, but then I still had that pesky rosewood pull to deal with. And that's when it helps to have a dad who does woodworking. So I basically just handed him one of the originals and a chunk of solid rosewood, and he just made one. It's not an exact match, but I'm pretty damn happy with that result. Thanks, Dad! So after all that procrastinating, I finally just did the thing, and here is the end result. Made in 1959 by Thomasville Chair Company, and refinished in 2024 by Flux Modern.